Okay. Hello, class. I miss you guys so much. I miss you so much. I hope you're all being safe and washing your hands and not touching your face. Don't touch your face. Stay inside. Stay inside and learn, okay? We're gonna go over, we're gonna review clocks. So just pay attention this lesson here and we'll go over some of the easy stuff. Okay? Telling time, as you can tell by the clock up there. Don't forget the LO. What's our LO today? I know a clock and half past. Say hi to this little guy right here. See this little guy right here? We found this guy in the street being attacked by dogs. We saved him. He's a good little guy, but you're gonna have to get out of here, buddy, okay? Look. All right, so I know a clock and half past. The hours and minutes. This is very, very easy stuff. I'm sure all of you remember this. This is the hour hand. It is the shortest hand on the clock. This is the minute hand. The minute hand is the long hand on the clock. So, the hour is the short, and the minute is the long. Oh, calm down, man. Okay. When the minute hand is pointing at the 12, it's showing a full hour, and we call this o'clock. Anytime you see the long hand on the 12, this means it's o'clock. And on this clock, the hour hand is pointing at what? It's pointing at the 8. So that would mean that it's 8 o'clock. All right, so, and you can see very easy. All the numbers on the clock, all of these numbers are for the hour. And it's very easy to read the hour. When the shorthand is pointing at the number, that's what time it is. So what time is it here? We have the 12, the long hand pointing at the 12, so that must mean it's o'clock. And what o'clock? Oh, it's 7 o'clock. How about this one? That's right, 3 o'clock. And then this one. All right. Can you guess? It's 11 o'clock. What time is this one? This one maybe can look confusing. The long hand is pointed at the 12, and the small hand is pointed at the 6. So that means it is 6 o'clock. Nine o'clock. And, where'd the shorthand go? Oh, it's hiding right there. The long hand is pointing at the 12 o'clock, or at the 12, and the shorthand is pointing at the 12. So it is 12 o'clock. All right, let's move on here. All right, let me give them in the middle here and let's see what we got. All right, what time is it? All right, which clock shows 2 o'clock? Which of the clocks show 2 o'clock? Is it this one over here? Looks like they're all o'clock. All of the long hands are on the 12. But I believe that this one is pointing at the 8. The hour is pointing at the 8. Is that 2 o'clock? I don't think so. Let's see here. Is this 2 o'clock? Does that look like a 2 to you? Nope. Ah, here we go. Here we go. This one is 2 o'clock. All right, let's do this again. Which one shows 4 o'clock? Is it this one over here? Is it that one? Should I check it? Do I even need to check it? It's pretty sad. We can tell it's not 4 o'clock. Nothing's even touching the 4. This is 10 o'clock, so this is not correct. This one is 9 o'clock, also not correct. Here we go. There we go, 4 o'clock. All right, which one shows 10 o'clock? Is it that one over there? No. Is it that one over there? Nope, I think that's 3 o'clock. Let me get out of the way here and let's see. Let me get out of the way and let's see what we got over here. This is 10 o'clock. Very good. And which one shows 3 o'clock? I think it's pretty easy for all of you by now. I think we know which one it is. Here you go. Kitty, this guy will not leave me alone. You know what time it is, Kitty? It's time for you to leave me alone. So leave me alone o'clock. Okay. What are these boys doing over here, huh? These kids playing around with their clocks. Let's see. All right, we still have to talk about half past. Let's go over a couple questions here first. How many seconds are there in a minute? Do you remember? Does anyone remember? It's the same as how many minutes there are in an hour. 60, that's right. How many minutes are there in an hour? Like we said, the same thing, 60. And how many minutes are there in a half an hour? In 1/2 an hour, how many, what's half of 60? Half of 60 is 30. Very good. All right. A clock face is a full circle, which is made up of 2 halves, just like I told you. Remember the pizza? You guys remember the pizza? The clock is like a pizza, all right? We can slice that pizza in half. That is a half an hour. So when the minute hand goes around down to the 6, that means it is now past a half of an hour, a half of the pizza. So after a half an hour, how much more time do we have left until the full hour? We have 1/2. How much is left to complete the pizza? That's right, another half an hour. So there are how many halves of an hour in 1 hour? There are 2. And how many minutes make up a half an hour? 30. Very good. There are 30 minutes in a half an hour. And you can count these minutes, but we don't want to spend too much time counting these little lines here, which are the minutes. We can just count by 5s, right? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30 minutes. But I think by now you all remember that if the minute hand is on the 6, we know that that's 30 minutes. We don't need to count anymore. Okay, when you get older, you will remember all of these times. You will remember how many minutes they are without having to count. All right? And when it is 30 minutes past the hour, we say half past. This is how we say it. It's never half before. It's always half past. All right? It's half past. All right? Now look at this time here. The minute hand is pointing at 6, which is halfway around the clock. That means it's half past. Where's the hour hand pointing? Is it on the number? Is it like o'clock? No. It's actually in between 1 and 2. The hour hand is in between 1 and 2. Why is it in between? Because it's halfway between. Just like the minute hand is halfway between the hour, all the way down here, this hour hand is halfway between the numbers. When it's o'clock, the hour hand starts on the number. Then it moves slowly towards the next hour, just as the minute hand is moving towards the next hour. So if it's halfway through the hour, then this hour hand should be halfway between the hours as well. This is 1:30. Okay, what time is this clock showing? All right, well, let's see here. We got the minute hand pointing at the 6. And what is that called? It's called half past. All right. Where's the hour hand pointing? It's pointing in between the 11 and 12. What does that mean? It's past what hour? Is it past 12 yet? No. We know that the hour hand, we know that the clock moves in this direction. So it has not reached 12 yet, but it has passed 11. It is in between 11 and 12. That is called half past 11. Very good. Let's see what time this clock is showing. All right, where's the 6? Or where's the minute hand? It's pointing at the 6. That's called half past. Where's the hour hand? The hour hand is in between 3 and 4. So this should be half past. Half past 3. Very good. All right. So that was just a little review and warm up for you. And we're going to be doing quarter past and quarter before on the next video. And you will have an assignment to work on. There are worksheets and a little game for you to test yourself. Okay. Goodbye, class. It's so good to see you again.